Sa video na to, mag-dive tayo kung paano gamitin yung Wix automations para ma-recover yung abandoned carts, mag-send ng order updates, at mag-offer ng coupons na talagang nagda-drive ng sales. What's going on, everyone? Ako si Eric Hunter. At dito sa channel na to, tatanggalin natin yung mga distractions para matulungan kang ma-streamline ang e-commerce operations mo. The power of automation. Pag may online store ka, ang dami mong hinahandle na tasks from pag-process ng orders hanggang marketing at customer support. Si automation, tinutulungan kanyang mabawi yung oras mo by handling yung repetitive tasks para sa'yo. Sa e-commerce, kayang mag-recover ng lost sales, mag-build ng customer relationships, at mag-encourage ng repeat purchases. Sa Wix stores, meron tong built-in automation builder na pwede kang mag-set ng triggers at actions kahit walang coding. So, explore natin kung paano siya gamitin sa tatlong common scenarios: abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase follow-ups, at coupon campaigns. Abandoned cart emails. Bakit naiiwan yung cart? Ayon sa research, around 7 out of 10 shoppers iniiwan yung items nila sa cart nang hindi nag-check out. Iba-iba yung dahilan, biglang unexpected shipping cost, complicated yung checkout, or na-distract lang sa ibang bagay. Kahit ano pa yung reason, yung tamang timing na reminder, kayang ibalik yung marami sa kanila. So, ano ba yung considered na abandoned cart? Si Wix, kinoconsider niya na abandoned yung cart pag may nag-add ng items tapos umalis sa site or walang ginawa for at least 1 hour. Kailangan din may valid email address para makapag-send ng reminders. Once na meet yung conditions na yun, pwede na mag-trigger ng automation si Wix. Activating and customizing the automation. Now, first things first. Kung wala ka pang Wix website, pwede kang mag-start gamit yung link sa description below. Pwede kang makapag-start for free at magkaroon ng free website sa Wix. Legit, walang catch. Well, merong konti. Hindi mo magagamit lahat ng features, pero meron kang totoong website for free. So, go ahead. I-click mo yung link sa description para makapag-start sa Wix. So, para i-on yung abandoned cart email sa Wix dashboard mo, pumunta ka lang sa abandoned carts under ng store section. Kung available yung automation, may kita mo yung toggle. So, para puntahan yon, pupunta ako dito sa automations. Then, click create automation. I-search ko yung abandoned. Ayan na. Email visitors to recover abandoned cart. Click mo yung setup. Then, ayan na. So, go ahead. I-switch mo to on para ma-activate yung recovery emails. I-customize mo yung sender emails. Gumamit ka ng name na familiar sa customers mo like yung store mo or brand name mo. Lagay ka rin ng reply to email kung saan papasok yung replies nila. I-adjust mo yung delay. By default, naghihintay si Wix ng 1 hour bago ma-consider na abandoned yung cart. Pwede mo tong baguhin depende sa strategy mo. Yung ibang brands, nagsisend agad within 1 hour. Yung iba naman, 12 or 24 hours pa. I-edit mo yung email design at copy. May template na binibigay si Wix na may dynamic sections para sa product images at prices. Iwan mo lang intact yung parts na yun para gumana ng tama yung email. Focus ka sa friendly na tone. I-remind mo yung customer kung ano yung naiiwan nila, tapos lagyan mo ng clear na call to action button na babalik sa cart. So, once na i-click mo yun, ganito yung itsura niya. Click ka sa trigger. Tapos, ayan, pwede mong iset na once per person lang mag-trigger. Nililimit mo kung gaano kadalas ma-trigger yung flow para sa same na tao. Depende sa'yo kung i-on mo to or hindi based sa store mo at gaano kadalas mangyari to. After nun, click mo yung email. Pwede mo rin i-edit yung reply to email. Then, pag scroll mo dito, makikita mo yung email itself. Sa pag-click mo ng edit, pwede mo na siyang baguhin. Pwede ka rin gumawa gamit AI or mag-click sa more actions kung saan pwede mong palitan. I-preview at i-test or i-reset sa default template. So, pag-click mo ng edit, pupunta ka sa actual email, may kita mo yung you left something in your cart. Ito yung dynamic area na hindi mo dapat galawin. Pwede mong galawin yung taas at baba, pero wag tong part na to. May kita mo na nakalagay dynamic email. Ibig sabihin, dito lalabas yung image ng item na iniwan nila, pati product name at price. Now, make sure mag-test ka bago mo i-launch. Gamitin mo yung preview function para mag-send ng test email sa sarili mo. Check mo kung gumagana yung dynamic product section at kung maayos yung itsura ng desktop at mobile. Best practices for abandoned cart email. Timing. I-send mo yung first reminder within 1 hour, tapos mag-follow up ka ng second email after 1 day, then third email after 2 days. Mas maraming follow-ups, mas mataas yung chance na ma-recover yung sale. Subject lines. Panatilihin mong maikli at catchy. Mga lines like, you left something behind, or complete your order and enjoy 10% off. Effective yan. Iwasan mo yung parang spam na maraming exclamation points. Incentives. Mag-offer ka ng discount or free shipping para ma-encourage silang tapusin yung checkout. Pero wag mo sobrahan yung discount. Kahit maliit na perk lang, malaking difference na yun minsan. Mobile optimization. Karamihan sa shoppers nagbabasa lang ng email sa phones. So gumamit ka ng single column layout at malalaking buttons para madaling i-click. Social proof. Kung may space pa, maglagay ka ng testimonial or star rating para ma-reassure yung customers about sa quality ng product. Order update emails and post-purchase automations. Yung pagiging connected after purchase, malaking tulong yun para mag-build ng trust at mag-set ng future sales. Si Wix Automation, pinapadali niya yung ganyang follow-ups. Order confirmation. Pag nag-complete ng order si customer, automatic nagsasend si Wix ng confirmation email. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-disable, pero pwede mo siyang i-personalize. Gumamit ka ng automation builder para mag-send ng additional thank you email after a few days. Dito pwede mong i-suggest yung complementary product, mag-share ng usage tip, or i-invite sila na mag-leave ng review. Invite customers back. Pwede kang gumawa ng simple automation na ini-invite ulit yung customers after a few weeks ng purchase nila. Kunwari, workflow na triggered by order placed, tapos may delay na 30 days. Then, mag-send ka ng email na nag-highlight ng new arrivals or popular item. Pwede mong sabihin yung something like, I hope you loved your last purchase. Here are some other items that customers bought next. Lagyan mo ng recommendation block or discount code. Ask for feedback. Another useful automation is yung email na humingi ng review or feedback. Lagyan mo ng delay na 14 days after order fulfillment para may time na magamit nila yung product. Keep it short and friendly. Lagyan mo ng direct link para mag-leave ng review. Then thank them for helping improve your service. Segment by product. Pwede kang mag-add ng conditions sa automation para i-target yung specific product. Halimbawa, kung may bumili ng high-end item, pwede kang mag-send ng mas personalized message or extended care instructions. Sa Automation Builder, mag-add ka ng condition step, then piliin mo yung ordered item ID. Then piliin mo yung products na gusto mong lagyan ng special messages. Coupon campaigns through automations. So yung coupons, pwede siyang mag-trigger ng immediate action kapag ginamit mo siya ng tama. Si Wix Automation Builder, pwedeng mag-add ng coupon as an action. Here's how. Gumawa ka ng new automation from scratch, iset mo yung trigger, pwede itong site visit, order placed, or cart created. Para sa cart exit incentive, gamitin mo yung cart created tapos lagyan mo ng short delay. Add mo yung add a coupon action, piliin mo kung gusto mo ng unique single code or fixed code para same sa lahat. Yung unique codes mas may urgency kasi parang personal siya. Yung fixed codes naman, parang mas madaling i-manage. Piliin or gumawa ng coupon mo. I-specify mo yung discount amount, minimum order value, at expiration date. Make sure yung coupon name at code mo malinaw at relevant. Add ka ng send an email action sa loob ng email editor. Mag-insert ka ng personalized content block. Tapos piliin mo yung coupon code from dynamic options. Automatic niyang i-display yung code sa email. I-customize mo yung design with branding, short message explaining the offer, and a clear call to action button. I-activate mo yung automation. From now on, yung customers na magti-trigger ng workflow, automatic silang makaka-receive ng coupon without you lifting a finger. Tips for successful coupon campaigns. Limit frequency. Huwag kang mag-send ng coupons masyadong madalas. Kasi baka masana yung customers na laging may discount. Pwede kang gumamit ng automation conditions para limitahan kung gaano kadalas makakatanggap ng coupon yung same customer. Create urgency. Lagyan mo ng expiration date at i-remind mo sila kapag malapit nang mag-expire yung offer. Mas napopromote yung action pag may urgency. Segment. Iba-iba yung response ng customers sa offers. So gumawa ka ng separate workflows para sa first-time visitors, returning customers, at high-spending customers. I-adjust mo yung discount value depende sa kanila. Track result. Bantayan mo yung redemption rates para makita mo kung alin yung offers na effective. Then gamitin mo yung data para i-improve yung future campaigns. Best practices for using Wix automations. Start with templates. May library si Wix ng pre-built automations na naka-group by goals like selling more or engaging customers. Pwede mo silang gamitin as a starting point, then i-customize mo na lang. Keep messaging consistent. Siguraduhin mo na yung automated emails, tunog branding mo talaga. Friendly, conversational tone, iwasan yung sobrang formal or generic. Monitor deliverability. Wala ring silbi ang emails kung napupunta sa spam. Gumamit ka ng dedicated sending domain, i-authenticate yung emails mo, at linisin regularly yung contact list mo. Respect privacy. Sundin mo yung rules like GDPR or CAN spam. Maglagay ng clear opt-out links at i-respect mo yung mga nag-unsubscribe. I-test mo lahat bago mo i-activate yung automation. I-run mo yung tests sa bawat branch ng flow para makatch yung errors or unexpected behavior. Sa Wix automation features, tutulungan ka niyang mag-recover ng sales, mag-deepen ng relationships, at mag-encourage ng repeat business without manual effort. So, by setting up abandoned cart emails, post-purchase follow-ups, at targeted coupon campaigns, nakaka-create ka ng system na tumatakbo 24/7. Pero tandaan mo, kailangan mong i-tune yung messages, i-test yung timing at incentives, at bantayan yung results. With automation, mas nagiging smart yung store mo at mas nararamdaman ng customers na inaalagaan sila every step of the way. So kung gusto mong mag-start sa Wix, may kita mo yung link sa description below, affiliate link to, which means kumikita kami ng small commission kapag ginamit mo siya at walang extra cost sa'yo. At yung commissions na to, malaking tulong para masupport yung channel at makagawa pa kami ng free content na katulad nito. So kung gagamitin mo siya, thank you in advance. And if nakatulong yung video na to sa'yo, don't forget na mag-like, subscribe, at i-hit yung notification bell para hindi mo ma-miss ang future videos. Dito sa channel na to, nakafocus kami sa pagtulong sa yung mag-succeed sa e-commerce by giving tips, strategies, and insights para mag-grow yung online business mo. So make sure na mag-subscribe ka. But other than that, maraming salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video.